Video number one about modal verbs. So in this very first video, let's deal with may. May is used for permission and possibility. For example, may I leave early? Right here, I'm asking a permission. Another example, astronauts may discover life in other planets. This is a possibility. Third example, may I go out, please? Once again, I'm asking permission. And finally, we have my mother may be mad at me today because of my bad behavior. So this is a possibility. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share. And stay tuned, right? If you haven't watched the first video, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Click and watch it so that you can have the whole idea about modal verbs, right? So videos are uploaded every Friday in the evening. Do not forget. Stay tuned on Fridays in the evening to watch my videos.